Ready to supercharge your iPad storage. We've all been there, right? iPad storage full. Luckily, connecting an external drive is a breeze. First things first. Let's talk about what you'll need: an external hard drive or solid-state drive and the right adapter. Most iPads use a USB-C port, so you'll most likely need a USB-C adapter. If your external drive uses a standard USB-A connector, you'll use a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Connect your external drive to the USB-A port of the adapter. Then plug the USB-C and directly into your iPad, or you may have a USB-C external drive, which you can directly plug in. Now, the moment of truth. On your iPad, open the Files app. You should see your external drive listed under Locations on the left side panel. Tap on its name, and boom! Your external drive's contents are now accessible. You can now browse, view, and even copy files between your iPad and the external drive. To copy files, tap and hold on a file or folder, and select Copy. Then, navigate to your external drive, tap and hold in an empty space, and select Paste. When you're finished working with your external drive, it's crucial to disconnect it properly to avoid data loss. In the Files app, tap the eject symbol next to the drive's name. Then, you can safely unplug it from your iPad. And that's it. You've successfully connected an external drive to your iPad, expanding your storage capacity instantly. Consider subscribing for more iPad tips and tricks.